Two major earthquakes cause devastation across Turkey and Syria. Two major earthquakes have struck Turkey and Syria in less than 10 hours, causing widespread devastation and claiming at least 1,500 lives. A 7.8 magnitude earthquake hit close to the Turkish city of Gaziantep at 1:17 am on 6 February. This was followed by a 7.5 magnitude quake around 130 kilometers north of Gaziantep at 10:24 am. According to those geological survey, the quakes have caused chaos across Turkey and Syria, burying people under collapsed buildings and damaging critical infrastructure such as roads, power lines, and sewage systems. The combined official death toll across both nations had already reached more than 1,500 by midday, and authorities expect it to grow rapidly over the coming days. The earthquakes happened along the East Anatolian Fault, which runs through eastern Turkey, from southwest to northeast. The first quake, which struck as people slept, caused tremors as far away as Cyprus and Egypt. Scientists say the second tremor is likely to have been a particularly sizable aftershock, triggered by the initial lurch in tectonic plates that caused the first earthquake. Once it jerks in one place, it's like a chain reaction. It starts jerking in other places, says David Rothery at the Open University, UK. However, there is a chance that the second quake could have been caused by the rupture of an associated fault segment stressed by the first earthquake, which would be considered a separate event. The disaster is the most severe caused by an earthquake in Turkey since a 7.8 magnitude earthquake struck the city of Erzincan in 1939, killing 33,000 people. In a press conference, Turkish President Recep Tayyip Erdogan said everyone is putting their heart and soul into rescue efforts. Earthquakes rated as 7 to 7.9 on the moment magnitude scale are classed as major events, causing the partial or complete collapse of buildings. International search and rescue organizations are now racing against time to deploy teams to the worst affected areas in order to pull people from the rubble of collapsed buildings. Those rescued within the first 24 hours have the best chance of survival, but cold weather, the civil war in Syria, and the chaos caused by the two earthquakes are making swift travel to affected regions challenging, experts warn.